Hi everyone, my name is Bettina from Papercut HQ and I'm part of the product team focused on healthcare. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on demo of Print Deploy, our print enablement feature, and show you how it solves printing headaches in a busy hospital environment. Shall we dive in? Let's go. Healthcare is one of the toughest environments for print. You've got thousands of users, nurses, doctors, admin staff across multiple departments, floors and buildings, shared workstations, roaming users, VDI environments. It's complex, and you need printers that just work. That's where Print Deploy comes in. All right, let's jump over to the Papercut interface. We'll take a quick look at how printers get into Print Deploy and out to the right computers using the cloner tool on the reference machine. Our first step is setting up a reference computer. A reference computer is your master setup. You gather all your printer queues onto the one computer and install drivers and default settings, things like grayscale, duplex, staplings, etc. These will then be copied out to the other computers on your network. Okay, here you can see all the queues that are already on our reference machine. Step 2. Let's clone the queues onto the Papercut server. You'll simply download the cloner tool and run it as an admin on your reference PC. It grabs all queues and settings and uploads them to your Papercut server. Step 3. Now we'll roll out the Print Deploy client. This little client makes the magic happen. It installs the right printers for each user. You have options here. Simply pick the rollout method that fits you best. There's the silent install. This is best for IT-managed devices. You can use Intune, Jamf, or GPO. Another option is a manual install, the traditional approach where a sysadmin runs the installer on each user's computer one by one. Lastly, you have a self-service option. This lets users download the Print Deploy client via the user portal, a great option for your BYOD users. Let's see this in action. In our first scenario, we've got an admissions officer in the A&E ward. Most of the time, they print to the high-speed mono printer right behind their desk. But let's say it breaks down. No need to panic. We've already planned for this in Print Deploy. We've created a zone for the A&E team filtered by their user group and IP range. They have a default printer set, but we've also added an optional backup printer. This means if the default printer goes offline, the user can choose an alternate device without needing to call IT. We've also enabled secure print release, so that even if they switch printers, documents stay protected. Next, let's look at the nurse using a shared workstation on wheels. At 9 a.m., she's on level 2. By lunchtime, she's in radiology. Here's how we've set this one up in Print Deploy. We've created 2 zones, one for level 2 and one for radiology. Each is filtered by IP range, matching the subnets of the floor. As she logs in and moves between floors, Print Deploy reassigns her print queues dynamically, no reboot or reinstall needed. Here on the Clients tab, you can see her workstation updating in real time. Now it's on the radiology subnet, and you can see the new printers that have been automatically applied. This setup works even in VDI environments. Some situations call for some more precision. This specialist on level 3 kicks off document workflow from their assigned desktop, such as submitting forms that trigger automated processes. Instead of creating a zone for one person, we just assign a queue to that specific workstation. We search for the PC, open the client config, and add the workflow queue just for this machine. This is simple, accurate, and avoids unnecessary zone complexities. From the user side, Print Deploy is seamless. They log in, their printers appear, and they print, without having to install drivers or calling IT for support. Whether it's a personal laptop, a VDI session, or a shared workstation, Print Deploy adapts. You can use single sign-on with Imprivata or Okta for badge tab access, or prompt for credentials on shared machines to protect sensitive data. So there you have it, a real-world tool of Print Deploy in action. It's designed to remove print complexity, scale across buildings and teams, keep your hospital staff focused on care and not printer issues, and give your IT team some breathing room. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions or want help setting this up for your own hospital, reach out to the team. We're always happy to help.